Okay guys, I want to give you an update on the project boat. Okay, so the boat works. The only thing is there's a leak. Last time we went out we started sinking, so we still have to patch the leak. We believe it's in the live well intake. We're not sure. We have to put it in the water and literally look and see where it's leaking from, patch that. Then we got to rewire all the fuses. The first person who owned, or the person we bought the boat from, bypassed all the fuses. So that's dangerous. If a fire ever happens, or anything electrical happens, it won't stop at the fuse box. It'll just blow up. So we don't want that happening. So we got a couple things to do there. But anyway, fishing has still been really tough this week. It is September, but here are some of the fish that we did catch this week, and I hope you enjoy. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna go fishing with Kathy off her dock today, and I'm gonna grab some shrimp from the bait shack here in Vilano Beach, right here at the Vilano boat ramp. We're hoping to get anything. I mean, September is one of those months where it's really, you just hope to catch anything. But assortment of rods, so we're gonna see what we can do. Bait shops were sold out of shrimp. I couldn't believe live shrimp. They were sold out of live shrimp. Labor Day weekend must have crushed it. Pulled into Avid Angler, got to get our shrimp. Right now, the summer has just blown away. They are completely out of live shrimp right now. They have frozen bait. I'm getting some leader line. These are the men right here. Come talk to them. What's up? Say your name for everybody.
Chip. I'm Paul.
Chip and Paul. And we're gonna get out to fishing. Okay, this is private property that I'm driving on. This is the largest lot in Vilano Beach that has yet to be sold. This is like across the street pretty much from Surfside Park is where I'm at. Man. Desolate. Let's get lit. I already see fish blowing up on the surface over here. I'm just gonna tie on this little slam shady. It's 1/8 ounce jig head. There are fish running right through here. Get on them. There we go. Fish on. I got one. That's a little guy. There we go. On the slam shady. There we go. Nice little flounder here. We'll get him back. Oh, I forgot to mention. So this is my Fishbites Signature Series rod and reel with the Diawa BG 3000. That flounder was the first fish I've ever caught on this. I caught a flounder. Wow, I forgot to mention that. That's pretty cool. Very first fish ever was a flounder. That could be a curse or a good thing. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's a good thing. That was a good hit though. So this is Kathy's dock. Kathy's all the way down at the end. She's fishing with some fresh dead shrimp. And I'm just throwing these paddle tails for the moment. I'm looking for some schools of mullet because that's what I really want for bait. We're gonna try to do this in one cast. Oh. We got some big old mullet. That's a big mullet. I don't think we need all that. Okay, this little guy we can use. The rest of these guys, we'll get them back. Go ahead, go back. Oh, you got that on the Slam Shady.
That was a big one.
On the Slam Shady. That's cool. Blue crab. Yeah. That's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
He's a male.
Is he?
Yeah. You can tell because he doesn't have this like hue here.
Oh, okay.
It's that shape.
I can tell when they have eggs and they don't have eggs, but
It's a good redfish bait. Yeah. You can use it for bait if you want to. But. All right, I'm gonna walk to the end of the dock, all the way down, meet up with Kathy, and we're gonna fish for some exotic fish, maybe some sheep's head or some aquarium style fish. You know, you don't know. You never know. There could be spade fish down there. There could be puffer fish. There could be all sorts of stuff. Dang, someone just left this on our dock here. Wow. Yeah, he's been cooked in the Florida sun for sure. He's been here for days. Dang.
Isn't that what you were looking for the other day?
Yeah, I would have kept this guy. I would have kept him the other day, yeah. Not like this though. Now he's like potato chips. Oh yeah, bring him on up.
He's mad.
Yeah, he's all puffed up.
Pretty, isn't he? Look at
He's
that.
flapping. He's squirting. He's squirting.
It's a fountain.
Old Faithful.
Taking him home. I'm making a fountain.
I'm gonna get a pliers real quick.
Make a fountain out of him. It's okay.
And I caught my puffer. Man, there's puffers down there.
Look at that.
So this is a clam scented fish bite that he went after. We'll get him back. See you later.
Look.
Oh, I got a stingray. All right. Oh, here, yeah, that's good. I don't need the net, so just hold. That's good. He's a little. I got him. See you later, buddy. Well, I know what's eating our fish bites. It's a little sea bass.
Little mangrove snappers.
Yeah, little
Sea bass.
sea bass.
Okay, I got
Oh, I'm on. Oh! Now that is the largest spade I've ever caught. This is my personal best spade fish. I believe they have to be 12 inches. I am not sure about that, the regulation. Spade!
Spade fish.
I'm not sure on the regulation. But I'm gonna measure it up just for giggles.
Whoa, cool looking fish.
Oh, okay. It's only. Hey guys, I want to thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching. If you like this hat, even this is from a newly friend of mine. His name's Captain Stephen Farrell. This is a redfish, but he has many different types of hats like this. I'll put a link in my description below. He's got like tarpon, mullet, all sorts of fish. He has other versions of redfish, sheep's head, all sorts of cool. And he draws these, and he paints these. He's an artist, so it looks pretty cool. But I like the redfish one, so I bought that. But I'll put a link in the description below if you want to get in touch with him and get one of these awesome hats. Locally made, locally owned. He's upcoming artist, man. It's great. And he's also a great fisherman too. He's got a great Instagram, and I'll link that below as well. But thank you guys for watching, and keep it reeling. We'll see you on the next video. All right.
Come on, get off of there.
There it is. All right. 1-0.
Sail, sail